हेलो एवरीवन, टुडे विल डिस्कस अबाउट न्यू टॉपिक जिसका नाम है सोशल इंस्टीट्यूशन। सोशल इंस्टीट्यूशन कैन बी डिफाइंड एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ organization that performs some of the essential functions of a society. If we talk about institutions, institutions are strongly defined by cultural values and norms and are generally viewed and accepted as essential part of the social structure and the society in general. If we talk about some important institution in society, it includes family, marriage, economic system, political system, and religion. First, we will discuss about family. Family is basic institution or primary institution. It as an institution has been considered universal. If we talk about functions of family, the first one is socialization. Family is primary agent of socialization. Family provide emotional security and support to its members. If we talk about marriage, marriage as an institution is guided by several rules, rituals which differ from society to society. If we talk about rules, it includes incest taboo, exogamy, and endogamy. Next one is religion. Religion as an institution helps accept the inevitable and unchanging aspects of life. If we talk about economic system regulating distribution of goods and services. Now we will discuss about new topic जिसका नाम है इग्नोसेंट्रिज्म. William Graham Sumner in his book Folkways coined the term ethnocentrism. Ethnocentrism refers to the tendency to assume that one's culture and way of life are superior to all others. The ethnocentric person sees his or her own group as the center or defining point of culture and views all other cultures as deviation from what is normal. Now we will discuss about culture relativism. It was first formulated by Franz Boas in North America in 19th century. He says no culture should be judged by the standards of another. Culture relativism views people's behavior from the perspective of their own culture. It places a priority on understanding others' cultures. According to culture relativism, culture must be analyzed with reference to their own histories and cultural traits understood in terms of culture whole.